Hey everybody, it's Jason with Dakota Micro. Today is an exciting day. We're actually out on the family farmstead where the very first AgCam camera was built, and we're going to be filming another video in the series of the Can We Break It videos. You know, we've done a lot of crazy things with the Can We Break It videos. We've hit it with a baseball bat, we've frozen a block of ice, we drug it down a road, blown it up with tannerite. But this actually might be one of the craziest things. We're actually be taking the camera and lifting it up with a drone to 100 feet and trying to drop it into this water tank. Hopefully we miss a lot, because the point is we want to see what the camera can withstand. And one of the cool things, we're going to be using our new HD analog high definition cameras to test this out. This is the first Can We Break It video that we're going to be doing with the new HD camera. So hope you guys enjoy it. Hopefully we put the camera to the test. So exciting. Getting ready to drop the camera from 100 feet into a water tank. Nothing but net. There's the water tank. And there's the drones. All right. I should get that electric fly swatter. Take care of this big bug. I feel like I should be running away from this thing. There's two cameras in there. One camera that we had watching it, and the second camera that Dave just dropped in there. Now let's check it, see if it's still working. Oh, it is so cold. Oh, at least it's washed off now.
Break the glass?
Yeah. There's no lens anymore. All right. Okay, it's still working, even though there's no lens in there anymore. I mean, it's beating up pretty good. It's still working on the monitor. That is awesome. That is awesome. All right, that was awesome. It took 5 times. We finally were able to launch the camera into the water tank. We had fun missing it, of course. That was part of the fun too. But what's cool about this, it actually hit the water tank and it actually shattered the lens in it. and the camera kept working. So it goes to show you that the AgCam and the EnduraCam can still, even though you can break them, they still keep working during that time. And so make sure you check out our website, www.dakotamicro.com. Check out both lines, the AgCam and EnduraCam line, which is what we manufacture right here in this factory here. And we just had a blast filming the Can We Break It video. Stay tuned for more Can We Break It videos. Check them out on our YouTube page or our website. Check out the lens.